Hello, it's Wayne from Caravan and Motorhome Sales. Today we have this 2008 Leisuredrive Crusader. It's done 64,000 miles and it's based on the VW 1.9 85 brake horsepower. So as you can see, it's pop top. It does look like it's had a couple of repairs on the pop top, as you can see. So majority of the bodywork's pretty good. It's just the front that's got the stone chips. So you've got the VW alloys. There's a couple of scrapes on there, and then there's crack in the rear light. So round to the back, bodywork's good. You've got a little bit of rust just on that corner there. Have a little look. So it does come with a Horizon Light Air drive-away awning. Okay, so carrying on round. Windows are all good. Wing mirrors absolutely fine. Windscreen again absolutely fine. And then, like I mentioned, you've got the couple of stone chips, a bit of bubbling going on, but nothing major. Does come with front fog lights. And there we go. So 4 berth, 4 belt. Let's have a little look. Okay, so you've got the standard FM radio with CD player, 5-speed manual, and then you've got the manual windows. Seats are fabric and they're absolutely fine. Okay, so into the habitation area, you've got the small domestic fridge, small oven, then you've got decent sized sink and 2 gas hob. Lots of storage dotted around, and your wardrobe just there. So bed that pulls out nice and easy, and you've got room at the back with the awning. So then, right up above, there we go. So you got your mattress up there, which is all good. Lots of windows. And you've also got your light up here as well. There we go. So, any queries, any questions on this model, please don't hesitate to give us a call. As you know, we're a lovely friendly bunch, and of course, we're always happy to help. Thank you.